So, this is microphone 1. This is microphone 1.
Yep, this is microphone 3. 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 This is microphone 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are Freestyle Love Supreme. Thank you very much, honey. Thank you very much. And we are in the middle of our mic check. Now, we want to let you know that everything that is happening now is happening for the first time and will never happen again. It's like a grand opening, grand closing. So, what we need from you is an action word, a verb like run, jump, gesticulate. Just throw them out. Let me hear what you got. Swing is a good one. Let me hear one more. Come on. What? Connect. I like that. What keeps stepping? Twirl. I like that. You can tell she watches Broadway. Okay, keep coming, keep coming. What was that, baby? Scream. 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 Fly. I think the word is going to be scream.
I like it. Ladies and gentlemen, Caucasian and melanin, excuse me, I must speak soft so I ain't yelling. I don't wanna scream on the beach, you see. My name is UTK, I'm the INC. Hey yo, I rock in Times Square. I got nice hair and I'ma do it all day long, cause I don't care. See, I'ma raise my volume for all y'all people. I'ma do it through the speakers, ain't no equal. Got a speaker for piano, I know where I can go. Riding on the rhythm, old school with my Kango. But anyway, I ain't the only one rhyming. I got a couple people who gotta share some time. And so everybody in the place, let's begin to scream out loud for my homeboy Lin.
Whoa, you know I scream for every little thing. I'm a teen girl screaming for graphic spring awakening. And oh my gosh, yeah, I'm so informal. But when I see Jen, tell me I'm the next to normal. Just to scream and keep going, I can't stop flowing. Oh my gosh, that's the time of show, kid. Hunter and Jess, and yo, pass to the left, cause we got a dude on the beat who's gonna scream next shot. There's someone in the window screaming every time they hear the wind blow. What's gonna happen, yo? I don't know, but the Lindy and Lynn gonna tell us no.
Lindy and Lynn gotta let them know we ain't the only two ones that can flow. Everybody in the place ain't got to know. Make some noise right now for my homeboy J-So.
Let me scream on this microphone. So you know that we're not alone. Freestyle Love Supreme is in the Times Square Center. Sing all night. Gotta give you just a fool for y'all, so y'all can understand, y'all can have a ball. And when you get done with this, I want you to go to Black Go See.